Hello everyone, this is Roger from Caribou Cases here. Many of you know about our complete luggage systems that include everything. The cases, the quick attach release mount system, and the side racks or top racks that fit your bike. But how do you fit our cases on luggage racks from Givi and SW Motech? Let me show you how. Here's our Caribou top case rack, and here's a Givi top case rack. Notice that the bolt pattern for these parts is exactly the same. This is what we call a de facto industry standard. SW Motech racks have the same bolt pattern as well, as do several others, including Perun. Not only that, but Givi and SW Motech side racks also have the same bolt pattern. A standard bolt pattern allows you, the customer, to put the same case on different bikes. It also allows you to put cases from different manufacturers on different racks. For instance, you could put a Givi case on a Motech rack or a Caribou case on a Givi rack. To make buying easy, our CaribouCases.com website will give you the link to the correct Givi or SW Motech top rack or side rack that you will need for your bike. For instance, this is the Aprilia Touareg 660 35-liter side case system. You scroll down in the description and it gives you the link to the SW Motech Pro side rack that you will need right here. Caribou cases for Givi racks and SW Motech racks come with our quick attach release system, our integrated lid locks, and there's lots of accessories optional such as liners and inner bags. I hope this video has been helpful. Remember, it's as easy as ABC. Always buy Caribou. Thank you. It's pretty funny. Always buy Caribou.